Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So here we have a question at 105 divide in the parenthesis 7 plus 8 multiply 6. Okay, so before I show you the answer, I want to see your answer. So please stop this video now and write your answer step by step in comment because I personally scoring every comments out of 10. Okay, so let's see who gets a perfect score 10 out of 10. Okay, before comment your answer, please play this video to check your answer. Okay, so now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so in this question here we have one parenthesis and one multiplication. Okay, so first priority is parenthesis, so first we have to solve this parenthesis. So in this parenthesis we have one division and one another parenthesis, so first we have to solve this parenthesis. Okay, so is equal to in the parenthesis 105 divide 7 plus 8 is equal to 15 multiply 6. Now so this parenthesis 105 divided by 15, okay, is equal to 7 multiply 6. So now 7 multiply 6 is equal to 42. So the correct answer is 42. Okay. If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.